Hi friends, today there will not be a Zoom session. We're going to be doing an asynchronous lesson. So your learning target for today is I can read and comprehend text in the grade 6 to 8 complexity band proficiently. Step 1, you are going to watch a video that is in Google Classroom that previews the text you are going to read. Step 2, you're going to have a mini lesson, so you're going to closely read Day of Disaster in Google Classroom. It is another nonfiction text because remember, after taking our multi-genre test, we need a little bit more practice on nonfiction. And step 3, after you are done reading the text, remember you should read it at least 2 times, you have some questions to answer to demonstrate understanding. The questions are in a Google form. And then reminders for you, all missing assignments are due at the end of the school day. There are no exceptions because I've been telling you about this deadline for at least 2 weeks. Your final exam is going to be on Monday, December 14th, and then you are going to have retest opportunities in class on Tuesday, December 15th. So please make sure that you are looking back at your grades on the Elements of Fiction test, the nonfiction test, and the multi-genre test. Remember, you are allowed to have 2 retests per semester per class. So next week, you're going to let me know which 2 tests or retests you would like to take in class on Tuesday, December 15th. All right, so for your lesson for today, it is in Google Classroom, just like pretty much every other day. It is under Friday, December 11th, Day of Disaster. And your instructions say for today's assignment, you will have 3 attachments. The first one is the video link. So this is just to preview the text that you are going to read. The second attachment is a PDF, and it is the actual article that I want you to read called Day of Disaster. And then the third attachment is your Google form, and I want you to answer the questions while looking back at the text. All right. I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend, and hopefully I'll see you Monday. Bye, guys.